Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover part 2 of MCQ on nouns. We have already covered part 1 where we are done and discussed 10 questions and we will discuss 10 more questions today. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Question number 11. So basically in these questions you have to find out the error. Let's get started. Measles are a distinct disease which have symptoms like dry cough, fever, running nose and conjunctivitis. So in this sentence just try to focus on the error. So if we focus, our vision brings us to option number A. Measles are a distinct. So therefore measles, right? Measles is what? Measles is the name of a disease and therefore is a singular noun, but the verb is put as are, right, which is wrong. So यहाँ पर क्या होगा, verb को हमें change करना पड़ेगा. Measles is a distinct because measles एक singular noun है और singular noun के साथ हमें एक singular verb का इस्तेमाल करना है. तो option number A has a error in it. Question number 12 is, Shell eventually began working with his sister-in-laws on an enterprise that everyone at first thought was a harebrained idea. So observe the sentence and try to find out an error. So if you will focus, you will observe in option number B, sister-in-laws. जब भी हम प्लूरल बनाते हैं, राइट, जब हम प्लूरल बनाते हैं तब हम जो रेलिवेंट और जो इम्पॉर्टेंट नाउन होता है उसका प्लूरल बनाते हैं. सिस्टर इन लॉज नहीं होगा. तो रेलिवेंट नाउन क्या है? सिस्टर. तो सिस्टर्स इन लॉ विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. सो एरर कहाँ पर है? ऑप्शन नंबर बी में है और द करेक्ट आंसर इज सिस्टर्स इन लॉ इंस्टेड ऑफ सिस्टर in law. So option number B is incorrect here. Let's have a look at question number 13. The island offers a treasure trove of beautiful ancient temples, stunning sceneries and golden windswept beaches for discovery at your leisure. Observe the sentence carefully and try to find out an error. So observe option number C, stunning sceneries, right? Sceneries, right? So scenery is an uncountable noun, so therefore we cannot make a plural of an uncountable noun. So scenery एक uncountable noun है, तो हम uncountable noun का plural नहीं बनाते हैं. So therefore the error is in option number C, स्टनिंग सीनरीज एंड गोल्डन विंडस्वेप्ट बीचेस. और इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो सीनरीज की जगह सीनरी होगा क्योंकि सीनरी एक अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 इज, द ग्रेट मैन इज प्रिटी ओल्ड एंड डॉडरी, wears spectacle about an inch thick and a large collection of decorations. Observe the sentence carefully, observe deeply and you find that in option number B, and dodgery wears spectacle. तो जो ये spectacle है ये एक paired noun है, जैसे scissor है, हम scissor नहीं बोलते, a pair of scissors. तो यहाँ पर spectacle नहीं होगा और जो paired noun है वो according to the rule plural होते हैं. तो spectacle की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? spectacles. So the error is in option number B and the correct answer to it is, and dodgery wears spectacles, and the reason is paired nouns are plural. Question number 15 is, it is used to be the case that former presidents exercised self-restraints in commenting on the performance of their successors in office. Observe the sentence carefully. It is a beautifully written sentence, very well structured. So try to find out the error in this sentence. So the error is in option number B, right? So former presidents exercise self-restraints. So जब हम hyphenated nouns की बात करते हैं, ऐसे noun जिनमें बीच में hyphen होता है और वो connected होते हैं, तो वो हमेशा singular ही यूज़ आते हैं. तो हम सेल्फ रिस्ट्रेंट्स नहीं बोल सकते, वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. करेक्ट जो आंसर है वो है सेल्फ रिस्ट्रेंट. सो द एरर इज इन ऑप्शन नंबर बी एंड द करेक्ट आंसर टू इट इज सेल्फ रिस्ट्रेंट, नॉट सेल्फ रिस्ट्रेंट्स. Question number 16 before you is, sheep and lambs usually spend most of their lives outdoors and generally get to eat a relatively natural and an unadulterated diet. Try to find out error in this sentence. Try to find out the option that has error. If you will observe closely, you will find the error in option number A. So therefore sheep, right? So sheep, if you will look at the plural and the singular structure of sheep, it is the same. We use sheep for a single sheep and we use sheep for a plural sheep. So sheeps is wrong. Instead of sheeps we will use sheep. So the error is in option number A. Sheeps is the wrong answer because for singular and plural we use only sheep. So option number A. Question number 17 is, we were met by a porter who carried our luggages on his head and we took a shuttle boat and called a dhow across to tiny Lamu Island. Have a look at the sentence and try to find out the error in these options. If you'll observe closely, you'll have a look at option number B, luggages. So luggage is an uncountable noun. Luggage एक uncountable noun है और as per the rules हम uncountable nouns के plural forms नहीं बनाते, इनके plural form होते ही नहीं हैं. तो luggages is the wrong one and luggage is correct. So the error is in option number B and the correct one is who carried a luggage on his head. Question number 18 is, he was winning the game easily, but in the thick of the battle, he made a big blunder and lost. Have a look at this sentence. You will observe in option number D, a big blunder and loss. So you have to remove big here. यहाँ पर big remove होना चाहिए. क्यों होना चाहिए? क्योंकि blunder मीन्स अ बिग मिस्टेक. सो यहाँ पर दो बार रेपिटेशन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. दैट वुड लुक वेरी सुपरफ्लुअस. सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी, अ बिग blunder and lost will be the correct answer. It has an error and you have to remove big here because blunder already means a big mistake. So we don't need to repeat a word for it. That will sound very repetitive, boring and superfluous. Question number 19 is, although she is now rich and famous, she remembers her meager beginning as a children from a poor family. Observe this sentence carefully. You will find that in option number B, there is a singular pronoun, that is she, and in option number C, something is mentioned about this pronoun, that is as a children. That's wrong, no? So option number C is wrong, right? Because instead of children it should be child, because here it's mentioned about a singular person. So for a singular person we will use she, right? We'll use child instead of children. So option number C has an error and the correct answer to this is child, right? So option number C is incorrect and the correct would be meager beginning as a child. Now let us discuss the last question, question number 20. Many monuments during Mughal period were built of stones imported from different states. Many monuments during Mughal period were built of stones imported from different states. Observe option number C here. You will find here that stones is written, right? Stones. So we We do not write stones. Stones do not have a plural form. It is same in singular and plural. So stone should be used instead of stones, because जो plural form होता है stone का वो stone ही होता है, stones नहीं होता. So option number C में error है. The correct answer is stone instead of stones. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. Keep learning and keep growing.